Hello friends, in this video we are discussing about advantages and disadvantages of BOT. Here are some advantages of BOT project. Uses of private sector financing to provide new sources of capital which reduces public borrowing and direct spending and which may improve the host government's credit rate. So credit rate of government will increase because they don't have to invest in such type of projects. Ability to accelerate the development of projects that will otherwise have to wait for the complete for other resources and projects. What happens generally, if government is undertaking all the projects, then the project has to wait so that the resources will be free from the another project and they will be equipped in this particular project. By giving all the rights to the private sector, government sector free himself and allow private sector to go and build the infrastructure of projects. So that is very helpful in accelerating the infrastructure in the nation as well as in the particular state. Use of private sector capital initiative and know how to reduce project construction cost, shorten schedules and improve operating efficiency. As private sectors are the owner of that particular project, they will go for good resources and good planning so that to complete the project at faster rate and with the minimum resources and with good quality also. Allocation to the private sector of project risk and burden that would otherwise have to be borne by the public sector. As we are saying, government had to look for that if it is not given to the private sectors. So giving all the responsibility to the private sector will lessen the burden on government. The involvement of private sectors and experienced commercial lenders which ensures an in-depth review and in an additional sign of project feasibility. Technology transfer, the training of local personnel and the development of national capital markets. So national market will be raised because of the involvement of private sectors. In contrast to privatization, government retention of strategic control over the project which is transferred to the public at the end of the contract period. The opportunity to establish a private benchmark against which the efficiency of similar public sector projects can be measured and the associated opportunities to enhance public management of infrastructural facilities. Will get good facilities at faster rate because of the privatization. Then there are some disadvantages also. What are those? Transaction costs are high. They amount to 5 to 10% of total project cost. Not suitable for smaller projects. It is not suitable for the smaller project. The big infrastructure projects can be done by using such type of contracts. The success of BOT projects depends upon successful raising of necessary finance. So various costs such as cost of construction, equipment, maintenance should be committed during the life of the project. And BOT projects are successful only when substantial revenues are generated during the operation phase. So we have to generate the revenues in the operation phase. Otherwise the project will be in loss or project will held standstill. So in this video we have discussed about some advantages and disadvantages of BOT project. Thank you.